Hello friends, let's begin with the next important point of the chapter, and that is cylinder from your chapter surface area and volume. Now see here, we know the cylinder have three surfaces, that is curved surface. This one is a curved surface from here to here. This is the circular surface here, and this also one is the circular surface. So what are the parameters that we are consider while using the area as well as volume of the cylinder? And these are the radius, this radius of cylinder R, and this much distance, that is the axis, or we say height of cylinder. Sometimes we say that is the length of cylinder. कोणत्याही सिलेंडर साठी तीन सरफेस लक्षात ठेवायचे, दोन सर्क्युलर सरफेसेस आहे आणि एक कर्व सरफेस आहे. While writing the formula for area, so there are two types of areas we consider here for the cylinder. First area is a curved surface area, and second, that is total surface area. So very first formula for the curved surface area, and that is pi r 2 pi r h. This is what? Curved surface area of cylinder, 2 pi r h. Now the total surface area is 2 pi r h curved surface area plus area of this circular face and this circular face, that is the pi r square 2 pi r square. हा कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस आपण दोन्ही सर्क्युलर सरफेसचे एरिया इथं ऍड केलेत, तर यामध्ये कॉमन आहे 2 पाय r, सो इनटू ब्रॅकेट h plus r. So this is your final formula for the total surface area of cylinder. Now the volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So these are the few formulas we have to remember for cylinder, and by using this we are going to solve some examples. So let's begin with the practice set 16.2 here. In the first question we have given radii and heights of some cylinders, and for every question we have to find the curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area of cylinder. So for this I am solving first example here. So for this the radius is given 7 cm and height is 10 cm. So we know formula for the curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi rh. So put the values, that 2 as it is 22 by 7 into 7, that is into 10. So we cancel this 7. So 220, that is 440, and multiply with 10, that is 440 square centimeter is the curved surface area of cylinder. Now we know the total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. Now for this we again cancel this 7 here. 44 multiply with 13, that is 572 square centimeter is the answer. So like the same way you have to solve the question number 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the first question. Now look at the question number 2 from your practice set 16.2 there. We have given a cylindrical drum of diameter 50 centimeter, this diameter given, and its height is 45 centimeter. So we have to find the total surface area of that cylindrical drum. So very first in the question, from diameter we have to find the radius. All we know, the radius is half of diameter. So half of 50, that is 25 centimeter is the radius. Now value of y is 3.14, that is given in the question. Now the total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. This is our formula. Put all the values here. 2, 3.14, 25, 45 plus 25. So we multiply this 6.28 25 as it is, we add this, that is 70. 25 into 70, that is 1750, and finally we multiply, we get 10,990 square centimeter is the total surface area of cylindrical. Now let us move on the third question, that is question from 16.2 there. Let us move on the third question. In the question, we have given a curved surface area of cylinder, that is 660 square centimeter, that is curved surface area, and the height of cylinder is 21 centimeter. So we have to find the area of base. See here, this area of base we have to find. This is circle, and area of circle is pi r square. That means we have to find the pi r square. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी बेसचा एरिया म्हणजे काय फाइंड करायचा आहे, सर्कलचा एरिया. ज्या सर्कलची रेडियस ही सिलेंडरच्या रेडियस एवढीच आहे. नाउ ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ दिस सिलेंडर. त्या सिलेंडरची रेडियस सुद्धा तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. द गिवन थिंग्स आर रिटन हियर. दिस इज ऑल गिवन हियर in the question. So we know the curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, that is equal to curved surface area. So put the values. Value of pi is 22 by 7, h is 21, sc that is 660, 7 3s are 21, cross multiplication, this 220, 2 into 22, that is 44. So R is equal to 660 divided by 44 into 3. Then finally we multiply this. 4 3 is a 12, 12 5 is a 60. So R is 5 centimeter. That means the radius of this cylinder is 5 centimeter. After this we have to find the area of base. Now area of base is pi r square. Put the values here. R is equal to 5. So 5 square, that is 25. This is 22 by 7. 3.14 into 25, that is 78.5 square centimeter is the area of base. Now let us look at the last important question of this practice set, which is very important. See, in the question, that is question number 4 here, we have to find the sheet required to make a container which is cylindrical in shape and open at a one end. You know, look at here, this is a container which is closed from this end. This side is closed here and this is open, right? अशा प्रकारचे डब्बे आपल्या घरामध्ये असतात. एक साइड त्याची क्लोज आहे पूर्ण आणि एक ओपन आहे. We have to find the total sheet required to make that container, and its diameter is 28 centimeter given and height is 20 centimeter given. So according to the given information for container, diameter is 28 centimeter, for this radius is 14 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. So total sheet required is curved surface area. सिलेंडरचा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया म्हणजे हा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया and the area of base, या बेसचा एरिया, that is pi r square. So what is common here, that is pi r. So twice h plus r remain in the bracket. Put the values. R is 14, h is 20, r is again 14. As we solve this, 7 2s that is 2, that is 44 into this bracket is 54, and when we multiply, that is 2376 is the total sheet required to make the container. Total sheet required म्हणजे हा डब्बा बनवण्यासाठी खालचा याला लागणाऱ्या पत्र्याची जी एरिया आहे, पत्रा जो आवश्यक आहे तो 2376 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर एवढा पत्रा लागेल. आता सेम कंटेनरला एक लीड वरचं एक टोपण ही बनवायचं आहे. आता टोपण बनवत असताना टोपणाची जी हाईट आहे ती 2 सेंटीमीटर लक्षात ठेवायची आणि जो डायमीटर असेल तो कंटेनरच्याच एवढा असेल. म्हणजे दिस डायमीटर वॉट एव्हर इज इक्वल टू दिस डायमीटर, राईट. So what is diameter of the lead also? 28 centimeter and therefore radius is 14 centimeter. आता महत्वाची गोष्ट आहे, हा जो लीड आहे याचाही एक बाजू क्लोज असेल आणि एक ओपन असेल. फक्त आपल्याला हाईट मध्ये चेंज येणार आहे. सो फॉर लीड R is 14, H is 2 centimeter. So total sheet required to make the lead is again same formula, pi r into bracket twice h plus r. Now here 22 by 7, r is 14, h is 2 centimeter. Remember, h is different here from above example. So there is 2 here and r is 14. We put the values, we cancel this. 17 to 0, that is 44. This bracket is 18 and 792 square centimeter sheet required to make the lead for this container. Now finally, we write the answer here. This much amount of sheet, that is 2376 square centimeter required to make the container and 792 square centimeter sheet required to make the lead.